Hello friends, today we're going to be working on this 2010 Chevy Equinox. We're going to be fixing code P0137, which is for your oxygen sensor. Alright, it's going to be your oxygen sensor 2 on your exhaust system. Alright, which is for the emissions. So, I just want to show you everything. All you're going to need is this right here. 7/8 wrench and sledgehammer. Alright, so what you want to do, you want to go under your car, locate your sensor. See, this is your exhaust, so your sensor is going to be this one right here. By the way, this is a 2.4 liter engine, it's a 4-cylinder. Okay, so it's got just one number 2 sensor, so your sensor is going to be this one right here. What you want to do, you want to break the sensor loose. The connector is up there. I don't know if you can see it. Somebody put it a zip tie. But there is supposed to be like a plug there, like a plastic holder. You just gotta pull it out and then disconnect this right here. It's very easy. Okay, you got the idea. And then break this loose. I'm gonna break it loose so that you see how easy it is. Okay, you got your 7/8 wrench. You just put it on your sensor like this, and then just hit it with the hammer. Okay, there you have it. Once it breaks loose, it's very easy to take out. You can take it out by hand, as you can see. Now you get your new oxygen sensor. You get your new oxygen sensor. They usually come with this sealant, which you're gonna apply just a little tiny bit on the thread, just one drop on the thread, because once you're screwing it in, that drop will like go all around. You don't have to put a lot of it, and you gotta make sure that you don't put any of it on the electrode right here, on the actual sensor. All right, friends. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you next time, all right?